How was your day, Cameron?
Good, Mama.
Were Grandma and Grandpa boring?
Oh, no.
No?
But I just had a boring feeling.
Yeah.
You want to see baby Lucy? Clinton? Oh. That's a clean spot.
Okay, you guys, come sit on the couch over here.
On the couch.
Mama, why can we not see
Kenton,
the
you want to sit
needle?
with Emma? Go sit
The
on
needle,
the couch.
it's in my arm.
Come on. No.
Why can we
I think
not
he wants a
see
paper
it
towel.
into their arm?
You can come see it.
Where's the needle?
It's inside my arm.
You can just see the end of it.
She is.
Here she is.
We might need to stand. Oh no, she's gonna take care of
All right, you want to read me your numbers?
Oh, yes. Wrong one again. B. Jeffrey, go.
B67155.
All righty, we got a match. She's been fine in the nursery, so
Oh,
she's
good.
doing good. She might be starting to get hungry again soon. She's kind
Okay.
of
You're right. Over by the couch. I'll bring her
All
over.
righty. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, you're so excited.
I've been waiting for a baby sister all year.
All year.
Quiet. Actually.
Say hi, baby Lucy.
She opened one of her eyes. Yeah. There's it again.
Kenton does not have a clue.
2 eyes. There's Oogie. It's
Trenton?
Oogie. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's Lucy.
Oh, yeah.
Can we touch her?
No, you don't need to touch her face. You can give her kisses.
Or you could just touch her.
Maybe so.
It's okay, Lucy.
Wanna give her a kiss? Trenton, you wanna give her a kiss?
She's opening her eyes. She's opening her eyes just at the hospital, just when she's born.
Yeah.
She's
Checking her
so
out.
small.
Hi, Trent.
Well, not very small. She's just really small.
Wait.
Take her hat
Can
off.
I hold her? Take her head off?
Yeah.
Looking cold.
Oh, look at the glue. How did they get it in there?
Oh, they just
More,
stick it on.
more in the back and then on top, of course.
Probably all come out in the
blonde.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here. Why don't you sit down? You
Sit down, Emma.
can hold her.
Oh, goody. I've been waiting to hold her.
You move over here. Let Grandma sit in the middle. Okay, first Emma. All right.
What? Can I go second?
Trenton, what do you think?
Hey.
You take the glue.
Is that baby Lucy?
There you go.
I've been practicing holding my baby doll. I know how to hold a little baby.
Alright.
Oh, good.
It's kind of heavy.
Grandma's gonna be right
Oh,
here
she's looking
anyway.
at you. Say hi to her.
Dad, why can't we see the clip?
What?
Why can't we see the clip?
What clip?
The clip that's sticking into her belly button.
Give her another
Very
kiss.
fascinated.
Emma, give her another kiss. Yep, you get it.
Ow, ow.
Wait a second. There we go. Oh,
Okay, give Cameron a turn.
Alright. You got her.
How can you hold Lucy?
Hey, put your
Very
arm,
careful.
Lucy?
your arm out. Let her lay right there on your arm.
You brought her old
Forehead.
computer.
See?
You wanna give her a kiss?
I already gave her a kiss.
Give her another one.
Emma, watch out.
Look at Lucy.
You don't need to bounce her. Are you
Don't
done?
bounce her.
See, I can
Are you
barely.
done?
what you think, Trenton?
Trenton, you want to hold her? No. No?
Trenton.
Take a picture with
Trenton, is that your baby?
Put your hat
You
on.
wanna come over here with Grandma?
Is that your baby Lucy?
Is that your
No.
baby? Hat?
Where's her hat?
You want the hat back on?
Where's the hat?
Alright.
Okay, Grandma gets to kiss Lucy.
You can see her now.
Yes, Mama. How did they stack? How did they sew? How did they sew the needle in? They didn't sew the needle in, they poked the needle.
They just stick it in
Bright
under my
lights make you
skin.
sneeze
Talking
sometimes,
about her
don't
belly button?
Are you talking about mommy's?
Are you talking about mommy or Lucy's belly button?
Yeah, let's take the clip.
Oh, the clip for her belly button?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
He was very fascinated about that.
Oh, did Jeff send you a picture of that or something?
Yeah.
Oh.
See, there's,
Well,
okay, don't touching, no
send us a
touching.
picture in
There's
the
the
nursery
clip.
of her.
Laying in her bed, yeah.
We explained it. That's how she eats before she's born.
Yep.
And she doesn't need it after she gets here because she can use her mouth then.
She drinks from Mama's belly button.
No.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
Belly button before she's born.
are we going to take the clip
What
off
do you think? Do you think?
when she comes home?
Baby stinks.
I can feel the clip.
Oh, baby's gonna want mommy pretty quick. Baby's rooting.
Let's have Mama have a turn home.
Hey, just a minute.
She can't.
What you think, Trent?
What do you think of this baby?
Is she cute?
Are we gonna keep her?
Yes.
We're gonna take her home to your house someday?
Right
Yeah.
now we are.
No, not right now.
In a couple
Mommy
days.
and baby have to stay here a few more days. And then Daddy will bring them home.
Wait, you're coming home
Okay,
sometime
okay, I hear
Thursday?
you. She's going to mommy now.
Is she cute?
Hi, Trent.